In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Monday.com. Fast and easy. If you've ever found yourself squinting at your bright screen while working late, you'll definitely appreciate this feature. Switching to dark mode can significantly reduce eye strain and battery consumption, especially if you're someone who spends a lot of time dealing with project management tasks on Monday.com. So let's dive right in. To begin with, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account and are on your main dashboard page. Now, if you look closely at the interface, you'll notice your profile photo located at the top right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to exploring various personal and account settings. Go ahead and click on your profile photo. This action will open up a drop-down menu presenting you with multiple options. Once the menu is visible, you'll need to locate and select the option that says Change Theme. This option might sometimes be buried among other settings, so ensure you're scrolling through the drop-down list attentively. The ability to change themes is a wonderful personalization feature that can help tailor your workspace according to your preference and current environment. After selecting Change Theme, you'll be presented with a list of available themes, and right there among them is the option for dark mode. Click on Dark Mode to enable it. As soon as you make this change, you'll notice the entire interface of Monday.com elegantly transitioning from its bright, default layout to the much more subdued and eye-friendly dark palette. Switching to dark mode doesn't just make your screen easier on your eyes, it also gives your workspace a sleek, modern look. It's especially useful when you're working in low-light settings or pulling a late-night work session. Plus, for those of you using laptops or mobile devices, enabling dark mode can even help extend your battery life. Remember, if at any time you wish to go back to the standard light mode, you can just follow these steps in reverse. Simply click your profile photo, select Change Theme, and choose the default light theme instead. It's simple and straightforward, allowing you to make the switch seamlessly. And there you have it. By following these quick steps, you can enjoy a more comfortable and stylish working environment on Monday.com. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.